A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to English Grammar online class. Students, today we will do the revision of lesson number 6, 7 and 8. So let us start today's class. Today we will revise the noun number, the noun gender and the noun possessive form. So we'll revise these topics today. Let us start one by one. Students, noun that stand for only one person, animal and thing, we call them singular number. And the noun words which stand for more than one person, animal and thing, we call them plural number. So noun can be like, numbers like can be singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Let us see some rules how to form plurals. See students, most nouns form their plurals by adding s, like bag, bags. Nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s or x form their plurals by adding es, like bus, buses. Nouns that end in consonant plus y form their plurals by changing the y into ies, like army. In army you can see y is at the end. Before y there is a consonant letter. So we will remove y and we will write ies, army, armies. Nouns that end in vowel plus y form their plurals by adding s to the singular, like boy, boys. So here you can see y, before y a vowel letter is there. So we will not remove y, we will add only s to make it plural. So boy, boys. Nouns that end in f, fe form their plurals by changing f or fe into ves, like knife, knives, life, lives. So like this we form the plurals by changing some letters at the end and by adding s or es, ies or sometimes ves. Sometimes we don't change anything. So some nouns have the same form in singular also and in plural also, like aircraft. So aircraft will be aircraft in plural also. Fruit. Fruit will be in singular and in plural also, fruit. Now let us see our second topic. The second topic is gender. Noun, gender. In this chapter we studied about genders, kinds of genders. See students, in English we use the following 4 genders for nouns: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. A noun that is the name of any male person or animal is said to be of the masculine gender. Okay? A noun that is the name of any female person or animal is said to be of the feminine gender. A noun that is the name of lifeless object is said to be of the neuter gender. And a noun that is the name of a person or an animal that may be either male or female is said to be of the common gender. Let us see some example on the screen, like knife. So knife is a neuter gender because it's a lifeless object, so it will be neuter gender. Dog, masculine. Male members are masculine. Bitch. Bitch is feminine. A noun that is the name of any female person, so it will be feminine gender. Kettle. Kettle will be common. Now, our next topic is possessive nouns, the noun possessive form. See, what are possessive nouns? The possessive form of a noun is used to show belonging or ownership. They show that a person, animal, place, thing, or idea has or owns something. Let us see some examples here on the screen. Like, bicycle of Ravi is new. So here, bicycle belongs to Ravi. Who is the owner? Ravi. So bicycle belongs to Ravi. So we can write like Ravi's bicycle is new. Ravi's bicycle is new. We form the possessive case of a singular noun by adding apostrophe s to the noun, like Ravi apostrophe s, Ravi's. And the letter S is not used when those words that end in S. The words which are end in S, we don't add apostrophe S with them. We add only apostrophe sign to them. For example, Jesus' sake. So here, Jesus is already end in S. So we will not add apostrophe S. We'll add only apostrophe. Jesus' sake. Now, as we have revised these topics, so related to these topics, now we are having a revision sheet. Okay, let us discuss the revision sheet now. Question number 1, write the plurals of following nouns. Here, 4 words are given here. You have to write the plurals of them. Plurals of these nouns. Balloon, ox, zero, army. Write the answers carefully. You will get the answer sheet for cross-checking, but just now you have to solve your question. Now see the question number 2. Write the gender of given words. Here you are having 4 words. You have to write the gender of these words. Like stick, bull, bitch, boy. So you have to write the gender, whether it is masculine, feminine, common or neuter. Like this you have to write in the blank. Write the answers in clean handwriting. Now next question is, fill the opposite gender. Here you have to write the opposite gender. Okay, opposite gender you have to write. Aunt, monk, master, cock. So you have to write the opposite of these gender. Okay, aunt, the opposite of aunt will be, the opposite gender of monk will be, and the opposite gender of master and opposite gender of cock you have to write here. Then we are having question number 4. Form the possessive case of the following. So here you are having group of words. You have to write the possessive case of them. The novels of R.K. Narayan. The essays of Francis Bacon. Write the answers carefully. I hope you have completed your test. Now you can check your answers with the given answer sheet. Here you are having the answer sheet of revision sheet. You can match your answers, you can check your answers. Answer number 1 is, write the plurals. Balloon, balloons, ox, oxen, zero, zeros, army, armies. Then answer number 2, write the gender. So here first is stick, neuter, bull, masculine, bitch, feminine, boy, masculine. Check your answers. Now answer number 3, write opposite gender. Aunt, uncle, monk, nun, master, mistress, cock, hen. Now answer number 4. form the possessive case. The novels of R.K. Narayan, R.K. Narayan's novels apostrophe S. Then the essays of Francis Bacon, Francis Bacon's essays apostrophe S. So students, match your answers. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we will do the revision of next chapters, chapter number 9 to 13. So thank you and have a nice day.